All right, so the first thing I'm gonna be doing is taking my braiding hair. This is how it comes out of the packet. Instead of the rubber band that it came with though, I just took that off and put a more sturdy scrunchie on there. Also, I did take some of this Remy Hair. It's like a weave and wig hairspray, conditioner, and detangler. So I just sprayed a little bit of that on the hair just to get it a little bit shinier and just more manageable. So that's the hair that we're gonna be using today. This is just regular Kanekalon in the color 1B. So I'm actually gonna start with my natural hair. And this hair was just washed and blow dried. So what I'm gonna be doing is first parting it where I want it to be, since I'll be doing a low ponytail. I usually like my part on the side, so I'll go ahead and part it on the side that I want. All right, so now that I have my hair parted on the side that I want it, I am gonna be taking some oil, and this is gonna be my ancient Egyptian oil from the Mane Choice. And just putting a little bit of that where the part's gonna be, and then also on the strands of hair as well. So I'll take about a quarter, kind of like a nickel-sized amount. I'll rub that in and put some directly on the part, and then just kind of smooth that into the hair. You don't need a lot. Just like I said, just like a nickel-sized amount, just to help kind of smooth the hair down. So again, this is not my hair pressed, it's just blow dried. All right, so now that that's done, I'm gonna start making the ponytail. I have this very wide brush here that I'm gonna be using to help me into gathering the hair back into a ponytail. I'm gonna be doing some twists on the side. And so I'll just part my hair. Like that. All right, and then just clip that back. So now what I'll do is I'll take a little bit of this Shine and Jam just to sleek down the braids that I'll be doing on the side. And so just taking a little bit of that and just putting it around the hair. Also a little bit on the edges, closer to the hairline, since I'll be grabbing hair from there as well as I make my cornrow down. All right, also put a little bit on the back as well. You want to make sure that your hair is clipped back tight so that none of that hair will get mixed in with this hair. That will mess up how it looks in your part. It won't look as straight if there's hair feeding in from the back. All right, so I'll start off with a small section like this and part the hair in 3 and then start braiding. And as I'm braiding down, I'm just gathering some hair as I go into my next strand. Just your typical cornrow. All right, and then once you get towards the end, don't braid it all the way down, but you do want to braid it a little bit just so that it doesn't unravel. And that's good right there. So just push that back and do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going in with my edge brush and just kind of making a little design. The edges already have Shine Jam on there, so I don't need to add any extra gel. Just make some little swoops there. Alright, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to be sleeking down the back of the head to prepare it and get it ready to put on the braiding hair. So now taking a bigger amount of the Shine Jam, I'll just put a little bit on there, put my hands together, and just use that to help to smooth the hair down. So I was just taking my soft brush and doing the same thing, just brushing it to help it lay down. So now I take my ponytail holder, gather all the hair back. I put a little bit of shine gel at the bottom as well and slick that with the brush. Just making sure that it's as smooth as possible, and then I'll go ahead and put the hair into a ponytail. Alright, so now what I'm going to be doing is taking the braiding hair and just adding that to the ponytail using the scrunchie that's attached to the braiding hair. And I'll be tying that around twice just so that it's secure. You want to make sure the hair is folded on top, that way your natural hair is underneath it. So I'm going to take the hair in 3 sections. And for this part, I'm going to make sure that there's the braiding hair and my hair within the sections. So since the hair is at the top is going to be mixed with my natural hair, it's going to be a little bit thicker at the top, so I'll make sure to actually braid it pretty tight at the top, and then once we start working our way down, I'll loosen up the braid just so it doesn't look like super thick at the top and then really thin at the bottom. So once my natural hair starts running out, that's when I'll start loosening up the braid a little bit. So see, I'm just braiding very loosely just so that it's a consistent thickness, and it just gets little by little a little bit thinner versus a very dramatic from super thick at the top to very thin at the bottom. From some hair I got a while ago, it came with this cute little stretchy rope. So I'm gonna use it to decorate my hair. That's one way you can do it. Another is just taking it and just wrapping it at the top only. Wrap it like that. You can also take some of these little gold jewels and use those to decorate the hair as well. You just open it up like this. It comes with a little opening, and then just clip it. I'll probably do like 2 on each braid. And I like these because they're really easy to use, really easy to put on. You don't need any kind of tool or anything. You just open it up and then clamp them on. And I will go in with my scarf and just tie it up just so that it can lay down. All right, and while that's laying down, I'm gonna go into my makeup. All right, so first I'm gonna be going in with my primer. All right, and next I'll be using my oval brush to do my foundation. So I'm using my Lancome. Squeeze a little bit of that onto the brush. All right, so now that that's all blended out, I'm gonna be going in with my concealer. This is the LA Pro Girl in the color Cool Tan. All right, and then I'll be using my smaller brush, my smaller oval brush to blend this out. All right, and I'll be using my colors from the Patricia Bright Makeup Revolution palette. I'll be using Irreplaceable for the dark contour color. And then I'm gonna go into the bridge of my nose with a lighter color, and I'll use Biggest Fan. I'll be using the same color, Irreplaceable, to contour on my cheeks and my forehead. right, so next I'll be starting on my eyebrows. I'll be brushing those and then filling those in with my Maybelline Tattoo Studio in deep brown. All right, once that's done, I'll be going over with my concealer. And then just blending that out. Next, I'll be working on the eyes. I'm gonna first put a little bit of concealer on top just to lighten them up a bit. Blend that out just a little bit. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this look. All right, so I'm gonna be taking a red color, a very deep red. It's called No Drama. I'll be putting that all over the eyelid. And that really just shows up really, really nicely. Next, I'm gonna be going in with the color Icon and just really patting that into the corner of my eye and bringing it out a little bit. Next, I'll be going in with the color Diamonds for Breakfast. I'll be using 3 colors and I'll try to spread them out equally. So I've already done 1/3 with the color Icon, and then in the middle for the 2/3 part, I'll be using the color Diamonds for Breakfast. Yum. For the 3rd and final color, I'll be using a burgundy, and it's called Pure Soul. And just bring that color into the crease as well. I'll also be blending it out a little bit on the bottom lid as well. And then right over the middle, I'm gonna be going in with a little bit of a darker red. All right, so next I'm gonna be putting on my eyelash. All right, and then I'm gonna take some mascara and put those on my natural lashes, both the top and bottom. All right, and the very last step for the eyes, I'm gonna be going in with some black liquid eyeliner. This is from the Fenty Beauty liquid liner in the color 'Cause I'm Black. All right, and then for my lips, I'm gonna be going in with a brown pencil just to outline the lips. And then for the color, I'm gonna be going in with this color from Anastasia Beverly Hills called Toffee. So I'm just going in with blush, and this is the color Perfection. It's a very pink, glittery color. And I'll just be setting the whole look with this setter by Urban Decay called D-Slick. And I'll take my hair down now. All right, you guys, so I just added 2 more decorative bobby pins there and the earrings. And yeah, you guys, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about the look. If you guys have anything that, maybe any like palettes that you guys want me to try, or you know, any questions that you have, definitely let me know in the comments below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, okay? You don't want to miss out on anything that's coming up with Tasia Unlimited. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.